Hey guys, J Ray here. In today's video, I am going to show you my oil cleansing method I use to keep my face clean, soft, and youthful, as well as aid in treating my adult acne. Now on to the video. There are only a few things that you need. A spoon, I'm using a tablespoon here. A container with a spout so that you can stir and pour your oils. And a clean and dry container with a snug cap to store your oils. I have 4 ingredients in my mix, and they are as follows. Grapeseed oil that gives you that extra boost of vitamins that your skin needs to stay healthy. Next we have sesame oil. Yes, the same one that you cook with. Great antibacterial. We have an all-time favorite, extra virgin olive oil. It's the liquid gold of oils and a must-have for your skin routine. And lastly, we have vegetable glycerin. It aids in moisture, treats acne, and a wealth of other properties. You want to go ahead and mix these oils together, and then you're going to stir them or emulsify them if you may. This is to make sure that you're getting all of the ingredients mixed in, all the goodies. Pour it into your container. Place your cap on it, or in my case a cork, and admire it. No, I'm just kidding. Store it in a cool environment. Now on to my face washing routine. I'm going to add a little oil to a dish. You could just pour it in your hand if you wish. If you're removing makeup, then this is the perfect time to experiment with different oils and how they work on your skin. I'm rubbing the oils into my skin and along my neck, especially focusing on my jawline where most of my acne is. I massage in an upward motion. I'm trying to keep the gravity away. At this time, I am rinsing my face with water. While I do this, I'm still massaging my skin. Using a clean towel, you want to wet the cloth and blot your skin dry. I like to use white towels on my face because I don't have to worry about the added dye in the fabric. After I blot my skin, I add my favorite astringent. To use witch hazel. If you don't have witch hazel, you can also use apple cider vinegar. When you're finished, your skin should feel clean, refreshed, and moisturized, and soft to the touch. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you soon.